Welcome in our Vidyakunj Career Academy. Today we are going to see here multiplication, how to do multiplication in different ways. What is the different way? By using factors of the given multiplier. Of the given multiplier. What is the multiplier here in this given multiplication? 40. What is the what are the factors of 40? I will take here 40's factors 4 into 10. It means I have taken 4 and 10 are factors. Then I will do here, by taking one factor, I will do here multiplication. See here. 5 into 4. Its answer I will write here. Okay. 4 5s are 20. I will write here 2, 0 and 2 carry. Okay. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Here 1 carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus I will write here. Okay. 0, 2 and 16, 18. 1 carry. Then 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Yes. We got this answer of this. Then I will do here. See next step. I will take next this one, next factor. What is that? 10. After multiplying here, you will get answer this one. This one means its answer is 13,800. 13,800. Okay, got it? This is its answer. In this way we have to write. I will write in this way, then it means you will get answer. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, understood here how to solve? I have used here method for this. Okay, next sum we have to see here. Now here multiplier is 12. What are the factors of 12? What are the factors of 12? Here 6 2s are 12. Yes, these are factor. I have taken this factor and I will multiply this multiplicand by one factor. Okay, I will take here factor 6. Its answer I will write here. 6 5s are 30. Then I will start from here. 30, 3 carry. 30 plus 3, 33, 3 carry. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3, 27, 2 carry. And 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. Got it here? Next factor I will take here. Which is that factor? This is factor 2. Okay. Now I will take here 2. Okay. I will do here. I am going to do here multiplication. Yes. Now 0, here 6 and here 14, 1 carry, and here 0. So I have written here as 1 as it is, and here 4. In doubling method also you can do here. Doubling method we have learnt. Yes. Here you can practice it here. What is the double of 0? 0. What is the double of 3? 6. What is the double of 7? 14. Here we have to write unit place number only. Okay, 4. And 14 will be, 1 will be carry. So here 0 is double, 0 only. 1 carry we have to add it. So 1. And 2's double, 4. In this way you can use here doubling method also. Okay, what is its answer? I will write in this way, then you will understand. Okay, its answer will be 41,460. It is its answer. Okay, next one. Here multiplier is 15. We have to write here factor of this 15. What are the factors? 5 into 3. Yes, 5 into 3. Then 5 and 3 are factors. I will take here one by one factors and then I will do multiplication. See here 2896 into, I will take one factor. I have taken here 5. Okay, I will do here multiplication. 5 6 are 30, 3 carry. 5 9 are 45 plus 3 48. 8 here 4 carry. 5 8 are 40. 40 plus 4 44. 4 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. It is our answer. Okay. Now next factor we have to multiply of we have to multiply by taking next factor of the given answer, of the got answer. Yes. I have to multiply by next factor. What is that? 3. See here. 0. 3 8s are 24. 2 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 1 carry. Or now next. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1 carry. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. This is its answer. Then how do you write its answer? In this way. 15 is equal to, its answer is 43,440. It is its answer. I hope you understood how to do multiplication by using factors of the given multiplier. Factors of the given multiplier. I hope you understood how to solve multiplication in different way by using factors of the multiplier. Okay. If you have any query regarding this, put your query